the California condor. They are descendants of a captive breeding program that saved the species from extinction. Their greatest threat is consuming lead bullet fragments left in the carcasses of hunted animals and dying from lead poisoning. Their precious hatchling will become known as Condor 1150. Condor 1150 is now 5 months old and almost fully grown. Like all youngsters, he's fascinated with the world around him. But for now, Mom has brought home the groceries. His parents have chosen a nest location that is 500 feet above a vertical cliff face. "1150 survived the fall, but he doesn't have the strength or skills to fly back to the nest. His only hope of returning is to attempt a first descent. "1150 succeeds in climbing the first 100 feet and discovers a chimney crack. All that remains is the horizontal traverse. A much-needed